Our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to discuss our sixth question, that is program to swap two numbers without using temporary variables. So guys, let's start. So basically we have to swap two numbers without using third variable. Okay. So suppose we are given a number 10 and another number is 20. So what we have to do is our task is to get 20 in num1 and 10 in num2. So basically we are swapping the numbers, right? In num1 we are getting initially we are having 10 and in num2 we are having 20. So after swapping we will get 20 in num1, right, and 10 in num2. So this is our task. Okay, so guys, let's see how we can proceed with this code. Okay, so logic we are using is we are using addition and subtraction logic to achieve our task. Suppose we are having I will explain this with the help of this example only. So we are having num1 with 10 and num2 with 20. So what our task is to swap two numbers, right? So what our first approach will be, we will add these two numbers and assign to the first number, right? So our number are 10 and 20, so we will assign that to num1 only. So basically what we have done is we have added that two numbers and we have assigned that in first number itself. So right now first number is having 30. Okay, so initially it was 10, then now it is 30, right? So our second step is we will subtract second number from first number. So first number now has 30. Okay, so second number is same number, that is 20. So basically we are subtracting 30 minus 20, that is 10, right? So here our second step is num1 minus num2. So num2 is 20, right? That was initially num2 is 20 and num1 is updated value is 10 plus 20. So we have written 10 plus 20. So finally we will get 10. So we have swapped one value. If you see that initially num1 is having 10, right? We have performed some operations, we have added both the numbers and stored in first number, and then we are subtracting the second number. So basically we will get the first number itself. Okay, so this is what we have done, right? So 10 plus 20 minus 20, so we will get 10, which is the first number actually. So our half task is completed, right? So now what third step we are going to perform is we will subtract second number itself, the same step we are performing but this time with number 1. Okay, num1, right? So same step that we have performed earlier we are performing again, but this time for other number, right? So num1 equal to num1 minus num2. So num1 has updated value, that is 10 plus 20, and num2 has updated value, that is 10. So after performing this operation we are getting 20. So basically three steps we are performing: first adding both the numbers and assigning to the first number, then subtracting the second number from the updated first number, and the same approach we are again performing in third step, and we are assigning that to num1. So basically our numbers are swapped now. If you see, num2 is 10 and num1 is 20. Initially it is 10 and it is 20, so our numbers are swapped. So this is our approach, we are logic we are using to swap two numbers without using third variable. So this is all our logic. So basically you can say it is also the algorithm and logics are the same thing. So we have written here, okay, we have taken two input and then we perform operation, that is addition, then subtraction, right? So we have get the final output. So here we are having code in 6 different languages: C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, PHP. So I will try to execute the code in C programming, so you will get better understanding. So I am copying this code and will try to execute on online compiler. Okay, so here you can see our code, right? So we will take input two numbers, right? This is C code. Okay, so we will take two inputs from the user using scanf, and then we will perform this operation and we will print the number after swapping. So we are printing the number before and after, so you will be easily to understand. So let's try to execute this code. So suppose we will pass 10 first number, second number is 20. So after swapping 20 and 10, right, we are getting initially 10 and 20 that we have passed, and after swapping the numbers are 20 and 10. So this code is working fine, and this is whole about swapping two numbers without using third variable. I hope you understand this code. I will share the link to this article in the description box, so it will be easy for you to understand this. And if you haven't liked the video, so kindly like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks.